Hi friends, I am Ms.Kat. I'm one of the STEM educators at Boys and Girls Club, and today I want to show you how to make a model DNA strand. So what is DNA? DNA are the instructions in your cells, and your cells make up your blood, your tissue, your muscles, everything in your body. And the DNA is the instructions for how you are going to look and how your body is going to function. So all you need for this is a thing of Twizzlers. I have the kind of squishier ones. I don't know what else you would call them. You're gonna need lots of toothpicks, and then you're going to need like the multicolored marshmallows. And so in this pack, there's 4 different colors, and that's exactly what we need. And that is all you need, so let's get started. So first, you're gonna wanna start off with 2 Twizzlers. And why you're gonna need 2 Twizzlers is because a DNA molecule is a double helix shaped. And what that means is that there's 2 basically sides or strands of DNA, and they're going to kind of intertwine something like this. And you'll see what I mean by the end of this video. So what you're gonna wanna do first is you're going to want to poke some toothpicks into one of the Twizzlers like this. And so by the end, you should have something that looks like an unfinished ladder. So by the end, it should look something like this. And now you're going to get some of your marshmallows and then assign each of the colors one of the nitrogenous bases. So first, before we put our marshmallows onto our ladder, I want to tell y'all what a nitrogenous base is. A nitrogenous base is multiple nitrogen containing molecules that are basically the building blocks of our DNA. And so we have 4 different types of them. And so for my model, I'm going to make my green ones guanine, my yellow ones cytosine, my red ones thymine, and then my orange ones adenine. And so when I get my ladder, I'm going to put only the adenine and thymines together, and then the guanines and cytosines together. So like I said before, our orange is our adenine, so I'm going to just slide my marshmallow onto that. And our red or pink is going to be our thymine, right? And then on my next one, I'm choosing to do my guanine and then my cytosine, right? And so then I'm just gonna go through each of these, and you can choose whichever ones you want as long as they're the pairs that they're with. So I can do like the rest of them as these 2, or I can do every other one as long as it's just these 2 colors with each other. So by the end, I should have something that looks like this. And so I have adenine and thymine, then cytosine and guanine, or the other way, and then so on, all right? And then what you're going to do afterwards is you are just going to simply connect it to the other side. All right, so now you should have something that looks like something like a ladder, and all you're going to do is now twist it simply like that, and now you have your own DNA molecule strand. And so just a little review. So each of the marshmallows represent one of the nitrogenous bases, either adenine, guanine, cytosine, or thymine. And then the Twizzler strands represent sugar phosphate groups. And so it's made out of different sugars, like for example, glucose is a type of sugar that we use in our bodies. And so this has a sugar/phosphate pattern going on. And then this shape is called a double helix because it has 2 helices inverted of each other. And yeah, so if you zoomed it all the way down into one of your cells and through any of the organelles that are in your cells, you can see strands of DNA, and they look a lot like this. So this is all I have for this today. If you have any questions about DNA, it's really fun and interesting to look up online. So I highly encourage you looking at fun facts about DNA because it fascinates me. Yeah, hope you enjoy it, and I hope you do this at home.